Hi there, it's Dr. Purcell bringing you yet another healthy and delicious recipe. Today we have butternut squash and black bean enchiladas, 100% plant-based. So if you're craving comfort food that actually nourishes you, vegan enchiladas with butternut squash are exactly what you need. It's a dish that wraps everything you love about cozy, satisfying meals into one delicious, plant-powered package. Butternut squash isn't just there for its creamy texture and naturally sweet flavor. It really is a nutritional powerhouse. You're getting a big boost of vitamins A and C, potassium, fiber, and keep your energy steady and your digestion on track. So you will feel satisfied, and it helps cut down on some of those cravings. So with butternut squash, it's roasted and caramelized. It falls into the category of resistant starch, which just makes us feel full and content, and we don't miss out on some of those higher fat types of foods like meat or cheese. So it's tucked inside these warm tortillas and smothered in enchilada sauce, and the squash just transforms into something really delicious. Again, it's comforting, satisfying, and 100% vegan. So if you're looking for a way to eat more plants without giving up flavor or joy and feeling like you're just a rabbit munching on carrots and lettuce, this is your next move. Because these enchiladas are proof that you don't have to choose between feeling good and eating well. You can absolutely have both. So go ahead, give it a go. Let me know what you think. Until next time, ciao for now.